from bringing us from the airport to the hotel, and also for organizing the appointment with the doctors, the nurses, as well as our travels here.
My name is Timothy Banove, and my wife is Luisa Lagilagi. We are here in India for medical treatment. We came on the 1st of this month, and we're going back on the 30th of this month. We'll be spending 1 month here. My wife is suffering from heart problem, and she's here for a mitral valve replacement problem. She was suffering 1.5 years ago through BSP. We managed to make it here to India. When we reached India, we were so welcome with the Medivisor team. They wait for us at the airport, and they brought us to our hotel. From the hotel, we are welcome. We feel like home when we're here in India through the help of Medivisor. And while we are in the hotel, we came to the hospital here at Max Hospital. We are so fortunate that we are able to receive the best medical treatment here in India. It's like 6 days now after the surgery, and it only takes 6 days for her to recover. And after today, we will going back to our hotel. So during the surgery, it doesn't take long. After 1 day after surgery, she's been lying down in bed. After the second day, she managed to improve. Like day by day, been improving. And then today, after the third day of surgery, she managed to walk around in the hospital. So that we can guarantee the best in the world, in how India been treating patients from all over the world. And we are so thankful with that. So I would also like to thank the Medivisor team with their help. They've been so helpful in terms of our transportation, our treatment, and everything that we've been going through here in India is through Medivisor. And I'd like to encourage us, if you are planning to have a medical treatment in India, go through Medivisor, because they are the best in terms of medical treatment here in India, especially throughout the Pacific and Fiji, and also other Pacific island countries. Today we will be going back to our hotel, and we will be there for a few days and few weeks before, and also after that we're going to visit the Taj Mahal and all the parts of India. And also after that, we'll coming back home. Once again, thank the Medivisor team and all the heads of the Medivisor for everything, for taking care of us here in India. And we hope that we're going to see each other again. And if you are willing, if you're wanting to come to have a treatment here in India, I can guarantee that it is one of the best in the world in everything that we have here. I believe that's all that I have to share with you today. I don't have anything more than that to add on what we've been through here. The only thing that we can say it is the best of all. We're just waiting for the recovery for a few days, only for take 2 to 3 weeks, the recovery period, and after that, everything will be go back to normal. I believe that that's all from me, and Vinavalu.
Bola Vinaka, everyone. My name is Luisa. I'm from Suva, Fiji, and I'm here with my husband Timothy for medical treatment here in India. I would like to thank Medivisor team for their support, from bringing us from the airport to the hotel, and also for organizing the appointment with the doctors, the nurses, as well as our travels here. I would recommend Medivisor team to anyone that is coming or planning to come for treatment here in India. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sandeep Singh, the Chief Cardiac Surgeon at Max Hospital, Vaishali in India. And this is my favorite patient. She came to us with a problem that she had symptoms of dyspnea or breathing problems when she used to walk around. She looked like a good young candidate for us to take for surgery. But when we did her investigations, we realized there was some infection in the body. She had a little fever, and she had a persistent cough, so for which we showed to a lot of our other colleagues. Some said it is because of her allergic thing. Some felt it was a throat infection. Yes, she did get a throat infection also on the cultures, and we were not really very sure as to what really it was. When we had done an echo on her, we found that her lung pressures were way high. They were pretty high, and my feeling was that most of her cough was because of her lung pressures being high, and when she used to lie down or something, when these bout of coughing would be there, she would have it. Otherwise, when she was sitting, she generally wouldn't cough. So, but we treated her for her allergies. It could have been allergies also, but because her lung pressures were high because of the valve being, she had a problem which was called a mitral valve disease, in which the valve was stenosed, or the valve hole had become very small, and so there was a lot of back pressure in the lung, and that's why it was high. And because of that, even her right side heart was a little dilated and was not contracting the way we wanted it to contract. So that was the reason. So after optimizing her with some medicines, with some diuretics, we took her for surgery. The surgery went very well. She got a very good valve. Her lung pressures went down right after the surgery to some acceptable levels, and I'm sure they will keep going down as the time passes by. Her coughing has gone down. She's recovered very well, and she's in a stage where she's going to fly back to Fiji. Fiji is a long flight back, so I wish her all the best on her journey, and I'm sure she'll do very well in future.